We're going to be going over the genetic algorithm step by step. First, we're going to be creating a population, and the way a population is created is that we create an array, and then we create individuals, and individuals are going to be a random list between 0 and 1 with the length of the gene size. And that is going to be added into our population, and we're going to return that population. Then we're going to be evaluating the fitness of each of the individuals. So what this is basically doing is that it's going to be summing up the list of the genes that we created. So from that, then we're going to be selecting the parents. The parents are selected by creating a random sample of the tournament size and the values of the genes and their fitness. And then we're going to be selecting the one with the most value for fitness, which is selected by this x1. And we're going to be returning the best individual, which is, well, this one right here. Then after that, we select two parents. Since they were both randomly generated, they should theoretically be different, but they can still be the same. And we are then going to create a crossover. And what a crossover does is that it creates a random crossover point, and then it splices both parents one time in the beginning and in the end, and then vice versa. And it returns the children of those parents. And then it mutates the children. So the way it mutates the children is that it's giving the mutation rate, and if the randomly generated value is smaller than the mutation rate, then it will mutate the children by changing the ith value to being the complement. And then from that, we are going to be adding the children 1 and children 2 into the new population, and population is going to become new population. And then from that, we're going to be repeating steps 2 to 6 until we eventually reach the end of the generations that we asked for, which will then give us the best fitting member. So if we run the algorithm, here I changed it to 15 to have a higher variability. So here we see we start at 10, and then each time it's getting closer and closer to 15. And there we can see another example where it went all the way from 11 all the way to 15, having these the best fitted members.